Welcome homebakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed. So I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious kakanin, the palitaw. Palitaw is a Filipino kakanin made of glutinous rice flour, made extra special with the addition of different fillings like the yema, the pandan flavor, the Nutella, and the caramel. In this episode, I'm going to teach you 4 different flavors of palitaw. This is called palitaw with a twist, with 4 different flavors. This recipe is actually very simple with just 3 main ingredients for the dough: the glutinous flour, water, and salt. But since we're going to make 4 flavors, then we're going to add those flavors into our basic dough. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are, for the dough, we have 1/2 kilograms of glutinous flour, and that is 4 cups divided into 4. And then 2 cups of water divided into 4. So that's 1/2 cup of water each. I'm using pandan water for this recipe. Pandan water is just water boiled with 2 stalks of pandan leaves. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt for the entire 1/2 kilo of glutinous rice flour. And then for the fillings, we have the Nutella, the caramel. For the caramel, you refer to my Chinta episode on how to make this caramel. Then, we're going to do the yema filling. Of course, we need stalks of pandan leaves. This is for the water that we're going to boil. For the toppings, we have 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of toasted sesame seeds, and then 1 1/2 to 2 cups of grated coconut. And of course, the flavorings, the ubi flavoring, the pandan flavor, and the yellow food color. For the yema filling, we have 4 egg yolks, lemon zest, and 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Okay, we're going to start mixing. For the yema filling, add 1/2 can of condensed milk. For egg yolks, at this point, we're going to divide this into 2. We're going to add pandan flavor. Now this is pandan yema. Okay, this is done. For the ube yema, we're going to add ube flavoring. You can add ube extract. Now this is done. Okay, this is done. Okay, we're we're going to mix the dough. For the pandan dough, we're going to add pandan flavor. And then for the caramel, we're going to make yellow color. This is pandan water, okay? And for the ube, we're going to add our salt, pinch of salt. The 1/2 teaspoon divided into 4. Okay, we're going to add this too. First, the original flavor, the water for the original flavor. Okay, we can eat this. Your hands should be clean. Set this aside. Then for the yellow, set this aside. Then we'll do the pandan. You can add more pandan flavor for nice color. Of course, you can add more flour. I don't know what happened to this one. When it's too soft, you can add more flour. Here. A little more. See, you can always adjust. Maybe I place more than half, a little more than half. So that's why. Then you can add more color. But we add more flour. You can eat this. Set this aside. And then we're going to do the ube. I'm going to measure this one. This is 1/2 cup. See? It's just the right proportion. 1 cup to 1/2 cup of water. Okay, set this aside. So we have 4 doughs, 4 colors, and 4 fillings. The pandan, the ube, the chocolate, and the yema. The chocolate for the original flavor, pandan yema, and the ube yema. For the ube yema, you can use ube halaya. But this is ube yema. Pandan yema, caramel, and chocolate, Nutella. Okay, we're going to do the original flavor, which is the chocolate. We'll put chocolate filling. We're going to divide this into equal portions. We're going to divide this into six equal portions. Roll into a ball between your hands and then rest it. Let's put the chocolate cream. And then roll. There. You can wet your hands so your dough is smooth and then roll. If you want it of uniform size, you can weigh it. You have to be careful to seal. And be careful when you roll. Yema. We will add this caramel flavor. For the ube, for the green, the pandan flavor, cut this. We're going to add the filling for the ube. For the pandan, drop your palitaw. When it floats, then it's cooked. Now palitaw is ready when it floats. Let it stay for a few minutes floating, so you're sure that the dough is cooked. Get it using the strainer. Drop this into the Now this is ready. Look at my palitaw. So pretty and so delicious. Yema pandan, yema ube, the chocolate, and the caramel. Look. So pretty. There you have it, my palitaw with a twist. With ube yema, chocolate, caramel, and yema pandan. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!